Okay, alrighty, so now we're gonna take our paper off. And you can cut the bottom off if you want to do that, just to get it out of the way. Look how sharp those bad boys are. Okay. Okay, so then you're going to take a piece of cardboard, just like this. This is the same square. That's right, it goes up underneath. Gosh, am I an idiot or what? Okay, no, underneath, but leave it on I'm like, I know I've done this. Leave it on the wax paper. That allows you to move it around. So. Okay, so there's that. Let's bring our cake over here. Now, before I do this, real quick, this cake has 8 layers in it, okay? We did 8 of those fun things. So I have a board in here about halfway at about 4 with some dowels in it. I put just some straws in, like 6 of them. Just regular straws. It's not that heavy, but it's tall. So you need to make sure you have it supported like you need to, because otherwise it's going to go everywhere. So okay, so here we go. Let the magic begin. So by putting it on this cardboard, that gives us that extra stability that we need in order to just lay it right on there. Okay, so I need to kind of see it here. Okay, now this should just go right straight up. Okay. Now that I put piping gel on that, okay. Now we're going to take our fondant smoother again. And smooth, 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 smooth. Oh, this is so cool. What a great job. What a great invention. You should put this online. What do you think? Okay. Okay, here we go. So then, once again, you're just going to pull that wax paper right off, and you don't have to worry at all about it pulling those squares off as you pull the, but look how awesome that went on there. That is so cool. Yay! Okay. All right, so now I'm going to have to come back and put some squares in here, but for now, this is like I said, we've got the is it the creeper? Is that the guy, the face? He's got the little eyes and the thing. But the other 3 are a grass block. So let's just, let's make it easy. I've got some green buttercream here. I should have just put this right on top here just to give it the color so you don't have to, this has been in the bowl a while, but let's just give it some color here. Whoops. Okay, just so we don't have to try to do the whole grass block with all those little pixels. So I'm gonna cheat and grab some out of this bag because there's an awful lot in here. We don't need it all, so I'm gonna put some on that up on top. Okay. Just want to cover that. It doesn't have to even be perfect because we're just gonna cover this thing with some grass. So we're kind of combining a couple different techniques, a couple of different styles. So we've got the top covered.